Hello, lady lambs. Bonjour, namaste, good morning, good evening, and good day. Good to see you, everybody, here today. Thank you so much for joining me here. This is Ginny S, working as a nursing superintendent and nursing educator in a private sector. I am very glad to start my channel today to interact with you all in this platform through my teaching learning process. First of all, a very big salute to all the lady lambs of the world who are sincerely contributing their dedicated efforts to give the best to the society during this pandemic. I know many of them are super busy in healing and comforting patients worldwide. I believe nothing is impossible in this world if you have a strong right determinations and sincere right efforts with God's incredible blessings. Nobody can stop to reach your dynamic destination. A very warm welcome to all of you. I'm looking for talking about all the ways to bring necessary tools that may help you to get great future ahead. My sessions will be on all aspects of nursing that will be a perfect tool to crack all types of interviews and vivas in nursing profession. A great contributor to DHA, MOH, HAD and CLES RN CRNE exams, MSc Nursing entrance exams, and a comprehensive memory guide for university exams too. And at the end of the every sessions, we will have some quiz questions to review and remind the important points that are being frequently asked. So that will be the basic format of my sessions for your overall improvement in knowledge and skills both in clinically and academically. Now, a couple of quick notes here to getting started. This channel is exclusively for those people who are considered as Dumbo by others, but in fact, potentially nothing is impossible for anyone of this world to make their dream come true. It happens when lack of interest due to lack of motivation and encouragement leads to lack of confidence. Thus, visibly looks like Dumbo for everyone. But these Dumbos can also become a mastermind with few words of motivation with love and proper guidance. And this channel will also be a best guide for those curious people who aspire to reach the incredible peaks and finally from there to see a fascinating views. Alright, let's get started. As we all know, the WHO declared 2020 to be the year of the nurses and midwives, and thus we celebrated 200th birthday anniversary of the world's most iconic nurse Florence Nightingale. A global pandemic needs strong nursing encouragement in clinical management awareness, knowledge exchange, and public safety. Now, we know God is love, and so God's love is so beautiful. And with God and love, everything is possible in this world. We should not lose hopes and prayers during this deadly disease and pandemic. Right now, we need more and more love, compassion, empathy, kindness, sympathy, and importantly, understanding towards each other. Our many great writers have said and even shown the example of being living monuments of love in this world. Thus, they could leave a remarkable impression in our minds and heart forever and gives us inspiration and motivation when we feel down at times. Now, we will see some of the quotations beautifully said by great people of this world. Where there is love, there is life, said by Mahatma Gandhi. Every time you smile at someone, it is an action of love, a gift to that person, a beautiful thing, said by Mother Teresa. Let no one ever come to you without leaving better and happier. Be the living expressions of God's kindness, kindness in your face, kindness in your eyes, kindness in your smile, said by Mother Teresa. Being a nurse, we must have this kind of expressions and impressions towards our patients. Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase, said by Martin Luther. It's not how much we do, it is how much we love put into doing, said by Mother Teresa. In life, no one will remember how you looked, walked, talked, or what you did. Everyone just remembers you by the way you made them feel, said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And I personally believe a few loving words with beautiful smile, kindness, sweet, compassionate, caring manners can heal the wounds and sufferings to some extent and can convey a lot of hopes and great strength to cope from it. Our sincere and dedicated contributions towards sick and needy people will never go unseen by God. Now, these days, when we look at job market, as we can see now, this pandemic has changed the job market. For students, this is an opportunity to access what they want to specialize in. The healthcare industry, which offers many employment opportunities beyond being a doctor or a nurse. The pandemic seems to have managed to change the job market overnight, which can be terrifying thought. Report says that some job might become less in demand while others might see a spike in demand, one of them being medical and health care sector. According to India Brand Equity Foundation, healthcare has become one of the India's largest sectors both in terms of revenue and employment. As nurses are at the front line of the COVID 19 outbreak responses and are exposed to hazards that put them at risk of infections, it is vital that are supported to protect themselves with specific infection prevention procedures and sufficient provision of protective gear at their practice settings. So, I am here with you to teach and learn the necessary knowledge and skills for those who are aspiring nursing as their noble profession and for those who are here with me to upgrade their knowledge meanwhile as working. You can reach me through mails for any queries or any specific topics that you would like me to take for you. Let me remind you, a perfect planning can prevent poor performance. Last but not least, if you like my channel or the way I do the sessions, then please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for the future notifications ahead. Once again, I thank you so much for joining me here. I wish you a fantastic week ahead with much love and lights. Bye. See you soon.